Tim Briggs here with Collision Edge. Today I want to talk to you about the tape thing. We have invented the tape thing to solve a big problem for you in your body shop. You never really know where your tape is, and rarely does a roll of tape get all used up before it gets run over or otherwise thrown away. The tape thing is a simple little plastic device with a ledge on it. The ledge rides the tape core. When your tape snaps on, the tape edge never touches anything no matter where you set it. The best part about it is when you pull the tape, it free spools. It'll never burn your hand. A lot of people put tape on the wrist, and we got that. The people who have started using the tape thing don't put tape on the wrist anymore because they realize how difficult and how hard tape is on their hands when they're pulling it, because that core is very abrasive. When you pull this the first time, you're going to be hooked. The tape thing comes in 4 sizes. I've got 3/4, 1 inch, 1.5 inch, and 2 inch for all your taping needs. A lot of guys work around cars every day, so they're sticking them to the car. Sometimes you got aluminum cars. A lot of guys stick them to the spray booth wall. But what we came up with for the prepper is the tape thing caddy. So the tape thing sticks straight to the caddy. You can use it off the caddy. If you want to pull the tape, you can pull the tape from the caddy, that's okay. It also holds some other things that are important to you. So the preppers use a rag or tack rag. They also use the razor blade. So the razor blade goes in your mouth or behind your ear. There's a magnet here, custom built, that holds your razor blade perfectly. There's a little Velcro strip here. A lot of guys ask what that Velcro strip is for. Velcro strip will hold your Hook It sandpaper or a scuff pad. You can stick that right there just temporarily while you're working, and it won't fall off. There's also a magnetic strip here that you can use to hold anything else you got in this metal. Some guys have blowers, some guys have X-Acto knives, all that kind of stuff. And also it holds your rags to the board. A lot of guys ask that question. So anyway, so that is the tape thing caddy with the tape thing, again, available in any size. So let's talk about the fine line set. We made the fine line set because immediately when guys saw the tape thing, they said, hey, wow, does it work for fine line? And the tape thing will hold fine line, but it's not really custom built, purpose built for fine line. So what we did is we created these. These hold your fine line perfectly. One of the big problems with fine line when you pull it is it wants to stretch. There's absolutely no resistance on the core. When you pull this, you get no stretch. No stretch. And they're handy, so you keep them wherever you want to put them. They're there. These like to stack on top of each other. And you'll notice that when they stack on top of each other, you can put these around the booth wall, and they will hold straight to the booth wall in a stack. Keeps all your fine line right where it needs to be, on time every time. So that's the fine line thing. And the set is available in 1/8, 1/4, and 1/2 inch. And they all come in a nice container that keeps your tape nice and clean. So that is the fine line set. So we reviewed the tape thing caddy, and the tape thing fine line tonight. You can find those on www.collisionedge.com. Check us out there, and we appreciate your time. Thank you very much.